Yes, it's going down tonight. I'm making fried oyster, mushroom, basically vegan fried chicken out of these oyster mushrooms. Got my chickpea flour. Yep. Vegan ranch going down. Yes. Got the oat butter going down. Yes, I think I'm going to do a chipotle, spicy chipotle, hot sauce, barbecue kind of thingy with them. Then I'm going to fry them in this grapeseed oil. Yes. For the sides, I'm going to have some arugula, some salad, some peppers, things like that. And I got this vegan mac and cheese. So this is looking real good, and my daughter just gave me the high five. She loves it. Oh yeah, that's good.